Visibility plus credibility equals profitability, but what it means really, that people make up their mind about you by watching you constantly. So you always get visibility. With visibility comes credibility. You can get negative visibility, therefore you can get negative credibility. So how do you use the VCP principle? Well, lead by example. Don't ask other people to do things that you're not willing to do. Secondly, make sure that your action speaks louder than your words. So your action follows the words you're saying. And make sure that you are professional at all times. Because it's not just in the meeting is how you conduct yourself, but also outside and how other people see you all the time. So VCP is not just one thing, it's a constant thing that you need to make sure you are aware of your activity.